Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Visa gift card to cash with Venmo. Here on the left hand panel, I want you to click on settings and then come here, tap on payment methods, click on edit payment methods. And then I want you to come here and add a debit or credit card. Now Visa gift card counts as a debit card. So go to enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and zip code as well. Add that card to your Venmo account. And then what we're going to be doing, we are going to be sending our Venmo to another person, and we'll have that person send that money back to your Venmo balance. Then you can withdraw that to your bank. So you can go to your app and then come here, hit pay and request, enter the other person's name, or you can tap here on Venmo Me. They basically come here and scan the code and scan their code, and you send the amount to them. And after you've sent it to them, right, you pay that to them using your balance, okay? And after that, just come here, tap on pay. You'll be able to see who will be able to see that, okay? And choose your Venmo balance because we've added our card to Venmo. Just choose your Venmo balance. It'll automatically pick up from your card. And once you've sent the money, they'll send it back to you, and then you can withdraw that to your bank. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.